What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just going to do a little walk around and update. I'm in the middle of a few different things, but I finally got my tires, so I can put this thing on the ground, and then I'll have to work on the alignment. So I'll show you where I'm at. Remember, drop a comment below, like, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Got my nice, cheap $100 tires. A little over 200 bucks shipped to the door. Got quoted by a tire shop local here, and their cheapest quote for two sets of two tires, 255, 35, 18, and my quote was 650 for one set, like 800 something for another set, and 960 for another set. So I found these online, kind of soft. Reviews were good though, so everyone said they're nice and sticky, at least when it's dry. So we'll see how it goes. I don't drive this in the rain really, so I just got the brakes bled and got the cover, got a little support fastened back underneath. So yeah, I'm gonna get the wheels on, get this on the ground, and I'll have to work on the alignment. And once it's on the ground, I can go a little farther with the splitter. Got a bunch of content filmed for this. It didn't end up going the way that I wanted to, so this may have been a colossal waste of money. We'll see. Basically, I've got a layer of fiberglass on top of this 1/4 inch maple and a layer of fiberglass underneath. Now, this is the top side. I just want to get this wrapped farther than the bumper will sit, which is right here. So I'm gonna have to slit this, wrap it around. Hopefully I can get it tight without a bubble around this edge, but we'll see. I'm not a fiberglass expert, so I don't know how this will work. And I'll patch the rest of it with a sheet for whatever's left. And yeah, I've got some brackets made up. I realized I could have just bought brackets, but you know, trying to do everything I can myself, all custom made. So, there it is. That's two pieces. That goes on there. This goes on the splitter, and then I need one more support for the back because it sways. So I'm thinking use this hole right here and just drop a support down to the corner of this piece or something, and yeah, that should be good. So let's get this thing on the ground. It's been a while, been a long time. Alright, here we go. Suspension will have to settle a little bit. It's been sitting been up on jack stands for probably like 5 months now. So like I said, I got two 55 35s on the rear. These tires came with the rims. I got the set of rims with two front tires for 250 bucks. So can't really beat that. I know they're heavy OEM alloys. They're not great, but you know, I just wanted some 18s on her, so here we go. The fronts are 215/40s, I believe. Yeah, the fronts are 215/40s. I am going to bump up to a 225, potentially 235, if I can squeeze it on there. I think I can. Do 235/35s probably, but I mean, for now, it's not a big deal. I just wish, I don't want any stretch. I want a nice aggressive setup like the rear. So when this comes down, you know, I'll be sitting, fender hovering, just on the outside of the tire. It might poke just a hair. So, and this is with 25 mil spacers. I may get 30 mil spacers for the front, because these are 8.5 in the rear, 8 in the front, or 7.5 in the front, I forget. But yeah. Pretty loud. I think I'm gonna need a muffler. Well, I got a little bullet muffler on it, but it doesn't do anything. So yeah, I might have to get something to tone it down a bit. Well, I thought I'd show you some flames, but I got a fuel leak. For some reason, I've replaced this hose like 3 times. And I still keep getting a leak. It's right at the pressure regulator on the back side. Relative to the car, it keeps on pushing out. So. Normally it's just leaking at the back, but oh, that's fun. You never expect to put a car down once. You always gotta lift it back up, especially if it's a Beamer. Well, that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna be a little bit working on the front splitter, and pretty sure I've showed you already, but this is kind of how the bumper ended up. Sweet smell of fuel in the garage. So that's what I got. Added some flats on each side that the splitter will sit flush to. And I just gotta clean this up and get it painted. But all in all, good to see the car on the ground. Wish I could have shown you some flames, but that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.